टीवी होना चाहिए.
I think the time when he came back from the hospital, because it was almost 20 days, I was alone at home with my son. They were in the hospital. Anant used to miss Mama Dadu kab aayenge and everything. वो छोटा था but he was very connected with him from the initial days. दादू 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 तो करते थे बात. जब आए तो everyone was scared because he had a pipe in his nose and every 2-3 more pipes कि Anand will be scared. The doctor also said that. But he came on a wheelchair and I think Anand was not scared. He just hugged him. Dadu, you are back.
Approximately about 53 months before, I had some problem in my teeth. As regularly I reach to my dentist. Before that, sometimes I feel there is some spot on my tongue, but I don't care. Somebody said I have a bad stomach, a bad appetite. Because of that, those spots were here. So I believe to my dentist. He's my friend as well. He removed my one teeth because it was in a very bad shape. 52 months before. Then I said, ask him, what is this going on? Before asking to me, he checked my bicycle. Next day he called me, Manoj, very bad news for you. You have a cancer. It was like a bomb. I never think, so far I never had one spoon of alcohol in my life. I didn't believe it. But somehow I get for one more laboratory for test. Same result, I have a cancer.
मेरा नाम नेहा जैन है. हम लोग इंदापुरम में रहते हैं और मनोज जैन मेरे हस्बैंड हैं. हम यहाँ पे 15 साल से रह रहे हैं. हम लोग पहले दिल्ली में रहते थे और दिल्ली में हम लोगों का बिजनेस ज्वेलरी का है और हमारी शॉप है ली मेरिडियन जनपद पर. मेरे एक बेटा है और एक उस डॉटर इन लॉ है. डॉटर इन बेटे के 2 बच्चे हैं, एक ग्रैंडसन, एक डॉटर.
I still remember when the reports came out and everything, and I'm just talking not even the doctors and everything, when the biopsy report was there, I was crying like a baby that how I will proceed, how to go further. Because कभी फैमिली में दूर दूर तक लास्ट 10-5 साल में सुना ही नहीं दे किसी को कैंसर है.
मतलब ऐसे लगा जब सब कुछ ख़त्म सा ही हो गया. कुछ नहीं सोचा, कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा था क्या करे. बस मैं तो भगवान से यही प्रार्थना करती थी, भगवान कुछ ये सब झूठ रिपोर्ट हो, कुछ नहीं सच हो, पर जो नियति को मंजूर होता है देखो वही होता है.
I am in the sales business. I sell B2C. So my voice is my life. I believe and I know, and I am doing 38 years, which all over the world, selling my products. If I don't speak, how can I sell? I'm selling luxury products. I don't sell dal and asha.
Then life start हुई. Now we have to look for a doctor. Now we have to look for the treatment. Now we have to see, the first question is कि will he be come back from the hospital? If the answer is no, it's no point. If the answer is yes, what will be the quality of life?
20% is a problem. 80% before cancer and post cancer, I'm perfect. 20% is when I sleep in the night, I have some more saliva. something in my mouth, which is never before. I have to use always a towel, small towel, handkerchief, that big, small one.
लाइफ चली, डॉक्टर्स देखे, कुछ पसंद आए, कुछ नहीं पसंद आए, कुछ पसंद आए तो दूर बहुत थे, उन किसी का एटीट्यूड पसंद नहीं आया, या ये कह सकते हैं कि वो हमारे लिए फिजिबल नहीं थे. देन डॉक्टर शुभम से मिलना हुआ. द ओनली थिंग विच वी लव इन द इनिशियल बिगिनिंग अबाउट हिम वाज हिज ट्रांसपेरेंसी.
जब ये हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट थे 2 दिन तो आईसीयू में रहे, 3 दिन रहे, तो मैं और मेरा बेटा सुबह जाते थे.
After the 10th day of the surgery, when we were in the hospital, Dr. Shubham came and he put his 2 fingers on the tracheostomy because my father was not allowed to breathe from the nose. There was kind of a small kind of opening was kept from here. But the doctor said as a tracheostomy. So he said just put your fingers over here and speak. We were shocked. अपना नाम बोलो. So he said, okay, Manoj. It was, of course. He said, perfect. So that particular one word thing, when he says his own name post surgery, gave us a kind of a, how to say, a booster. Ki things could be better.
I can drink water 1 liter by one time. I don't need a break. It means everything is super fine. I can observe, inhale very normally, sir. Very normally, sir. I'm 50 years old, drive my car, speak with you, have my 3 meals, I can walk. I've been with Sikkim, America, and Kerala. After surgery, what else you like to know?
क्योंकि खाना सारा फूड पाइप से जाता था, लेकिन जब फूड पाइप पड़ गया तो वो भी सेमी लिक्विड, सारा लिक्विड जाता था, तो बहुत परेशान हो गए थे, ये भी इरिटेट हो गए थे, क्योंकि डॉक्टर कहते थे खाओ, उठना है खाओ, ये कहते थे, नहीं मेरा मन करता था, नहीं खाना चाहता. मतलब बहुत संघर्ष का जीवन जिया उस समय, पर इनको कभी शो ऑफ नहीं होने दिया कि हम परेशान हो रहे हैं बाप से. आपकी कोई जैसे कई बार होता है किसी की हरकत, एक ही चीज़ को सहते सहते कई बार अपना भी तो गुस्सा होता है ना, फूट जाता था. तो मैं अपने आकांक्षी को आके कहती थी, मैं बेटा मैं अब थक गई हूँ, तो वो कहती मम्मी आप मेरे कंधे पे रो लो, पापा को कुछ नहीं किया. तो फिर मतलब इस तरह से हम लोगों का जीवन बीता, अच्छे से बीता, पर वो बातें याद करके मन दुख हो जाता है. हम लोगों ने बहुत साहस दिया इनको. ये बहुत बाद में गिल्टी महसूस करते थे कि मैंने नहीं सुनी, मैं सुनता तो शायद मुझे आज ये कष्ट नहीं सहना पड़ता. लेकिन हम घर में, मैं, मेरा बेटा, मेरी डॉटर इन लोग और हम तीनों इनके साथ पूरे खड़े हुए थे. आज फैमिली की ही सपोर्ट है, वो ये बात को मानते भी हैं कि आज मेरा परिवार मेरे साथ नहीं होता तो शायद मैं जिंदा नहीं होता. कैंसर एक को होता है, भोगता पूरा परिवार है.
I think the time when he came back from the hospital, because it was almost 20 days, I was alone at home with my son. They were in the hospital. Anant used to miss Mama Dadu kab aayenge and everything. वो छोटा था, but he was very connected with him from the initial days. Dadu, Dadu, Dadu. So करते थे बात. जब आए तो everyone was scared because he had a pipe in his nose and every 2-3 more pipes कि Anand will be scared. The doctor also said that. But we came on a wheelchair and I think Anand was not scared. He just hugged him. Dadu, you are back.
I came, my grandson grabbed me. Hi Dadu, I was waiting for you. That moment, I had no cancer.